Hi guys! Welcome to Let's Study. We'll be attempting endodontics related MCQs from the question banks of NBDE Part 2, INBDE, NEET MDS, and more. If you're planning to write any of these dental competitive examinations, this video will prove to be useful to you. Today, we will go through questions pertaining to root canal irrigants. Alright, let's go to question number 1. The most widely used irrigant displaying optimal cleansing bactericidal properties is saline, sodium hypochlorite, formocresol, glutaraldehyde, or urea. If you're attempting this question, go ahead, pause the video, think about it, and answer in your mind. If not, let's continue. The correct answer is sodium hypochlorite. Now, sodium hypochlorite is the most effective antimicrobial irrigant. Saline does not have any antimicrobial property. It's mainly used to mechanically flush out debris or wash the canal after using much stronger irrigants. Formocresol is a pulp devitalizer and not an irrigant. Glutaraldehyde is a disinfectant. And urea is used as an irrigant, but it's not the optimal cleansing agent. Okay, off to the next question. What is the full form of EDTA? Now, this is something you have to memorize. EDTA helps in removing the smear layer and softening the dentinal walls in calcified canals. And the full form is D, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Which one is not an ideal property of a root canal irrigant? Is it the antimicrobial activity, lowers surface tension, removes smear layer, lubrication, mild irritant, dissolves necrotic and vital pulp tissue, mechanically flushes out debris? So out of all these, which is not preferred as a property of a root canal irrigant? All of them are properties of a root canal irrigant except E. The irrigant must be biocompatible and non-toxic to healthy human tissues. What chemical is the primary ingredient of Dakin solution? Is it chlorhexidine gluconate, sodium hypochlorite, hydrogen peroxide, hydrochloric acid, or povidone iodine? Now the correct answer is B, sodium hypochlorite. Now Dakin solution was formulated by Henry Dakin during the World War I. It contained 0.5% sodium hypochlorite and was used as a strong antiseptic to clean infected wounds, ulcers, and burns. The preparation must be consumed within 48 hours of making it. What concentration of chlorhexidine digluconate is used as a root canal irrigant? The answer is C, 2%. At this concentration, it is very useful against E. fecalis, a notorious pathogen associated with RCT failures. How does NaOCl, or sodium hypochlorite, produce its antimicrobial effect? Does it neutralize bacterial toxins, inactivates bacterial enzymes, breakdown of bacterial cell wall, disruption of DNA synthesis, or destroys sodium channels? The correct answer is D, disruption of DNA synthesis. Sodium hypochlorite is the root canal irrigant of choice and is a very effective bactericide. It acts by penetrating the bacterial cell wall, chemically combining with the protoplasm of the cell and disrupting DNA synthesis. Most effective sodium hypochlorite concentration recommended is 3%, 5.2%, 0.1%, 1%, or 4.5%. The keyword here is most effective concentration. The correct answer is 5.2. Now, its antimicrobial and tissue-dissolving property is most effective at this concentration of 5.25%. However, you can still use concentrations from 0.5 to 5.2% as an irrigating solution. Time taken by NaOCl to completely dissolve the pulp tissue is 20 minutes to 2 hours, 2 to 4 hours, 5 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, or 24 hours. The correct answer is A, 20 minutes to 2 hours. It takes about this long for sodium hypochlorite to completely dissolve an entire pulp. This pulp dissolving property is beneficial while cleaning out the isthmus regions and C-shaped canals. What is the mechanism of action of EDTA? Is it a chelating agent that forms complexes with calcium ions of dentin, dissolves the organic component, remineralizes the lost calcium in dentin, penetrates into the bacterial protoplasm, and denatures cell proteins? The correct answer is A. EDTA functions by forming a calcium chelate solution with the calcium ions of the dentin. The dentin thereby becomes more friable and easier to instrument. This helps in achieving canal patency, enlargement, and smear layer removal. Alright guys, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, show us some love and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. All the best to you for your exams.